Alright, here I have for you guys a refurbished Apple wireless keyboard. I believe I paid $49.99 for it on bestbuy.com, and I just knocked something over with the box. Let's see, up here on the top it says, "Congratulations on your newly refurbished Apple product." As far as I know, they treat it like new. Your warranty is covered just the same, but I like that saving $20. The price for brand new is $69.99, I believe, and I got this for $49.99. So the last two keyboards I've had, both were destroyed by family members drinking at my computer desk. Never was it me, and that's the honest truth. So they got it in some plastic here. It did come in that plain white box. It does not come in an Apple box. I was going to show you and I forgot. There were some nicks up here in the plastic, and it kind of worried me that it was maybe on the aluminum itself, but from what I can see here, everything seems to look just like brand new. If you actually go in and read on the Best Buy people's reviews on bestbuy.com, one of the reviewers claimed that he brought his home and it was all scratched and nicked or whatever, and I don't see that happening. Not with Best Buy and not with Apple, either one, but there you have it. It looks just as if you purchased it brand new, and again, I saved $20. This is actually my second unboxing for the night. I just opened up my Canon 50mm lens, so I've got that attached. I'm using that right now. I might take a few pictures of this just to check that out. I don't have the best lighting because it's pitch black in here. It's nighttime. It's really late. It's 10:43, but I couldn't wait to get into all three of these boxes. Anyways, next I have one more package on the floor yet to get to. I'm going to do 3 separate videos. I'll post them up individually. But I also have the Mobi charger. I've already did the charger for the Magic Mouse, but anyways, here I'm just getting reflection off my overhead light. This thing looks just like brand new. I'm sure with the lighting in here, you're unable to actually tell, but there's no scratches or dents or dings or fingerprints, anything disgusting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.